should one do if they eat and they were not aware that the Fajr Adhan had taken place?
They have eaten already, Ahmad, or they have to eat?
They eat, Shaykhana, they eat, and then they find out, oh, there was Fajr Adhan, I shouldn't have eaten. What do I do?
Okay, no problem. If that is the time, if he didn't know the knowledge, there's no problem. But I want to make sure that he doesn't know. Meaning, let's say he knows for a fact that his clock, which is inside his room, is basically well before. I mean, let's say the time is supposed to be 5 o'clock. It says 4:30. Okay, he knows that that clock, there's something wrong with it, and he knows that the real clock, either is mobile, which he's got in his pocket, or the clock which is in the kitchen. Okay, so he just wakes up and he looks at the time, still 4:30, half an hour, and he knows in his mind if he looks at the mobile, it's going to be different. So if he starts to fool himself, finished. He had invalidated his fast. But if he genuinely didn't know, didn't know his Fajr, then no problem. It happened to me the first night 2 days ago in Ahad. Because the Ahad, the clock changed, and I forgot about changing the clock. Nobody told me about the changing of the clock. Okay, so my alarm stayed the same, because the mobile alarm, you set alarm. Let's say they set alarm. My alarm was setting at, my alarm was 5 o'clock, just to do my qiyam or something before the Fajr. So I set it at 5:30. I can't remember, 5:15. So 5:15. Now when the time changes, it will still 5:15, but 5:15 according to real time, that's 4:15. So I woke up really, come on family, prayer. My wife is saying, what is happening? It was 1 hour before the Fajr. And then I was really, because the clock on the clock on the wall, it doesn't say the real time. It says the time which hasn't been changed. Whereas the mobile says it there, and yet because the alarm does not change the time. It's 5 o'clock for you, 5 o'clock. That means 5 o'clock is 4 o'clock now. 4 o'clock. So that was an hour before that, and that happens. So imagine this is the other way around. When we come to the winter season, it will be 5 o'clock, but it will be 6 o'clock. So if that is the case, no problem, inshallah. The person had made a mistake, and lots of people make mistakes. Ikhwan. Fadal.